Good morning, everybody. Today we are headed to San Diego. It is going to be a great day. It was raining like crazy earlier this week, and we got lucky. Today the weather is supposed to be really beautiful, and in about 30 minutes we'll be heading off onto the 5 freeway to get to our first location, which is a Cards and Coffee. Let's go meet some people who are here. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Are you guys excited? We're at 85 and we're about to get some coffee and some, you know, baked goods, but they don't open till 7. It's like 6:58 and they're gonna make us wait the extra 2 minutes, which sucks. Come on.
Part of the experience.
What's up, boys? UCI. What's up? What's up? You guys got some food or what?
I don't know where we're going.
Ricky, last minute. We got a great lineup today, all red and white Porsches. Look at this. How amazing is that? Check it out.
Stickers. Thank you. Where's Teddy?
Teddy not only picks the date, but also flakes. Yep, that happened. We just got here to Rancho Santa Fe, and it's awesome because it reminds me of Carmel. I don't know if you guys been to Carmel, but yeah, it's like it kind of has that essence here, which is super nice because it's super close to us. So we're gonna move cars. We're gonna move car week here next year. All right. So funny enough, my buddy Wes sold his RX-7 with an LS in it, and I just found it, and of course it's looking really good. I'm gonna have to FaceTime him right now, but I want to see if I can find the owner, talk to him real quick. What a great venue here. What do you think, Tim?
It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Reminds us of Carmel.
Carmel by the sea. It's got that energy, but the SoCal flavor of it. So, what is going on here? This is crazy.
My God, there's a lot of it. Dude, look at those turbos.
Wow. Oh my God.
Bottle what? 7.5, 8 turbos.
Yeah, probably 850, no ball.
Yeah.
And of course, we got the Enzo out here looking pristine. Look at this one right here. Super clean. Now, I've been wanting to get into a 356 coupe for a few years, but
Speedster, I would get
well, Speedster costs hella money. You know, at least the coupes are around maybe 60K or so. But, you know, this one's a nice example right here.
It's a dream.
Yeah, I get it. Got a really clean 328 right here. Very nice. The paint looks very good. And we got a 911 sitting right here. Adrian, who came up to me Hey, and by the way, high five. You said you only drive manuals.
Yeah, I do. That's true.
So you're driving a 991
Miami Blue.
and that looks great. Let's go check it out real quick. All right, so Adrian's got this beautiful Miami Blue here.
Yeah, it's a little over a year old now. I got like 13,000 on it.
Oh, so you're driving. Where do you drive to? That's a
I drive every day.
13,000 miles in 1 year. I love that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just follow you then.
Do one more. All right, group picture time. Download Roadster now. Ready? Hell yeah. Leading.
What up?
What up? What up?
What's cracking?
Who's leading?
I'll lead if you want.
All right.
What's up?
Let's roll. Let's have some fun.
Go.
Woohoo! Must be nice. Get to sit inside Leslie. All right, Rancho Santa Fe. Thank you for having us. It was such a beautiful venue. I met a follower named Adrian. He's such a badass. Thanks for coming up to me. And now we're about to hit the canyon. So let's roll. You went bye-bye.
Fly by when you're not looking. Don't wanna waste it on all your nights spent alone again. We are different, stuck in a small town, haven't left just yet. Got bigger dreams running through our heads. Running through our heads.
Where's Ali?
We are
God.
running off the road. A new song playing far from home.
Ali, bro, you are crazy. I love it. You know what time it is? It's gas station time. Bro, I was telling my boy, I was like, dude, Ali's a crazy ass driver, dude. When you disappeared, I was like, that's what I mean, dude. Air codes are the same weight. So Tim was like, it's weird, my needle always shows low, and I was like, that's because you're low.
Since we were young, we're headstrong believers that the best is yet to come. We are
The weather today.
I know.
This is ridiculous. So good. You want to try some different lenses?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a 50 and a 24-70. You want to try that? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So John has these amazing wide Fuchs right here. Look at this. Beautiful on his 88 911 right here.
We play it loud, or we play nothing at all.
All right, so we're going to Steven Spider. Look how nice this looks. Top drop. All right, behind Ali again. He likes to disappear a lot. Julian's Pie Company. I'm hoping to have savory pies because I'm starving, but I bet it's just gonna be a kind of a fruit company, so or not fruit company, but a dessert pie company. So we'll see. We'll see. How was it?
Good.
Like, what is it? Angeles Crest?
Yeah.
Like, we have Sunrise Highway.
Okay. Well, that's good because that's all we have over there. No, we have a couple of roads, but Let's-
Always gonna be the wild one. Oh, oh. We carry the heat of the summer. Oh, oh. We dance to the beat of our own drum. We got a rhythm like no other. We're always gonna
Oh my god, it's so freezing. We are so cold. My goodness. Look, it's wrong branch. not long, but wrong. Where's Teddy Fomo? Yo, where's Teddy Fomo? Where's Teddy Fomo? Alright guys, so we just finished lunch and we are gonna head down the mountain. I don't even know if we're up in the mountains, but we're gonna head back out and head up Coronado. And we're gonna take some photos and do the rest of the stuff over there. So let's go. Oh my gosh, it is so freezing. I'm trying to take photos, but I can only do a few because it's too cold. I'm out.
Tell all your friends we took the long way home. Riding with the top down, like the summer we used to know. Until he comes over, I can be the one.
Alright, we're just gonna set up a photo shoot right here. We're gonna scatter the cars out. Man, that looks so nice.
I can be the one closer. I can feel your heartbeat beating. When it's over, I'll show you something to believe in. We're dodging all the feels.
What a beautiful sight.
Before.
But it's also super freezing. Oh my gosh. We just stopped by for a photo and we couldn't do it for more than 10 minutes. Woo, so good. Looks so good.
Now a song is playing loud on the radio. Under sunset secret, we're just touch and go and go and go. I can be the one you want.
You guys saw that, right? That was sexy. Woo! The drone man right here. Ricky.
Julian.
When it's over, I'll show you something to believe in. Now we're touching all the feels that we felt before. And everybody knows that when it's over, I will be the one, I will be the one you, I will be the one you want.
John GT3. This is a 991.2 and it is freezing outside but feels really good in here. We're about to do a ride along real quick. We'll figure it out. Yeah. Are you going with us?
So I'll follow you guys back to 15 and then
Okay.
I'll split off.
Okay. Nice to meet you, bro.
Be the one, I will be the one you, I will be the one you want. Till he comes over. Till he comes over. I can be the one you want.
really good on here.
Must be nice. It's great. So I'm gonna maybe we're not gonna line it up. We're gonna go out a little bit. Out.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Come up. Go to your left. Go to your left. Just walk in the shot. No worries. What's your bright ass light? What the fuck? So packed. All right, guys, so that is an end to a long day. Thank you guys for coming out today. It was really enjoyable to meet a bunch of new guys in a new town. It ended up to be a really photobomb. It really ended up being a really great day. Thank you to all the boys for making it out. It was actually a perfect day with the perfect amount of people. But now everyone's tired and gone home. So that's it. So signing out. See you guys on the next one.